for morning meeting. Let's go over the month. What month is it, everybody? Good, it's still March. So beginning, middle, and end of March. We're definitely in the end of the month. In fact, it's the very last week of March. We just have a couple more days left of this month. So after March, what month comes next over here? April would be next, and then we'll be in the 4th month of the year. All right, so this month is still March for a couple more days. Now I'm pointing to the year. What year is it? Good, it's 2020, or you can say 2020. So when you write that, it's 2020. That's our year. Do you remember what year it was last year? You remember, before winter break? It was 2019 before winter break. And then in January, it turned into 2020. So, March 2020, now let's figure out the date. When we last did morning meeting on Friday, it was March 27th. And then we had 2 weekend days where we didn't do morning meeting on Saturday, March 28th, and Sunday, March 29th. And here's today. So what comes after 29? It's kind of a tricky one, a little hard. Let's count from 22 from last week and we'll see. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So after 29 is 30. So today is March 30th, and a 30 is a 3 and a 0. A 3 and a 0. So I'm going to put that into days, and now let's figure out the day of the week. So we point to the date, and we go all the way up to the day of the week. So it starts with an M. What's the day of the week that starts with a sound? It's Monday. So if today is Monday, what day was yesterday? Sunday. If today's Monday, what day will tomorrow be? It starts with a T. Tuesday. Okay, let's see. I'm going to need to move my arrow here. It's still on Friday from when we did morning meeting on Friday. So I'm going to take it past Saturday, one of our weekend days, past Sunday, our other weekend day, and I'm going to put it on Monday. That's today. The season is spring. The weather is, right now, it's warm and cloudy. I think it might get rainy later though, so we might have to change it later. All right, let's do the pattern. First, we're going to do the pattern by shape, and then we'll do it by color today. So first by shape. Are you ready? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Square. Whoops. I need to switch these. Let's start over. I messed up. Let's start over. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. What would come next? So it looks like there's 2 triangles. So after would be a triangle. So it would be square, rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Triangle would be next. All right, let's do it by color. We have teal, green, pink, orange, orange. Teal, green, pink, orange. Orange would be next. I'm going to ask you guys to figure out what pattern this would be by number. Try to figure out what it would be by number. Remember, it's a square, rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, triangle. What would that be by number? Let's do it. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 would be next. Let's go over our months of the year. First month of the year is January, and then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Remember, we figured out today's March 30th. we're almost to April. We're almost to April. And then when it's the first day of April, I'll take down our March calendar and I'll put up our April calendar. I'll have to remember to put Enzo's birthday up there. All right, let's read a book in morning meeting before we start journals. This book is called I'm a Seed. And I'll come a little closer so you can see it. So I'm a seed. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. I'm going to be a marigold when I grow up. So a marigold is a type of flower. Me too. Wait a second, but those seeds look different. Look, how are they both going to be marigolds? They look different. No, you're not. Why not? Because you're a different kind of seed. What kind of seed am I? So look, now there's the seed coat. They don't really need it anymore, so it broke off. Here's the roots, the stem, and look, now the leaves poked up above the soil. They reach toward the sunlight. How should I know? Wait and see. Wait, how long? Look, they already look different. Their leaves already look different. Not too long. See? We're growing. My stem goes up, up, up. My stem grows sideways. Oh, I see a full moon. My leaves are small and perky. My leaves are big and fuzzy. Look, there's a bee, a pollinator. Maybe it's waiting for some flowers to grow so it can pollinate. My flowers reach up to the sky. My flowers are hiding under my leaves. So they're both yellow, both the same color, but the flowers definitely look different. They're different kind of flowers, different petals on there, and also the leaves look different too. My petals are yellow and orange and frilly. My petals died. Now I have little green balls where they were. So remember, if a flower gets pollinated, the petals fall off and what grows? I have 20 flowers. My green balls turned orange. What in the world am I? A pumpkin plant. You grew 6 pumpkins. They're beautiful. Thank you. I'm very proud. Remember when we carved a pumpkin earlier in the school year? What was inside of each pumpkin? Tons of pumpkin seeds. Know what's inside of us? What? Oh, I see another pollinator there. Ladybugs are really good pollinators. Ladybugs also eat aphids, and aphids are a pest bug. Aphids are little tiny bugs, and they eat the plant, and so they're bad for the plant, but ladybugs eat aphids, so ladybugs are good for plants. Seeds! When my seeds are planted, they will become new marigolds. When my seeds are planted, they will become new pumpkins. Look, there's the marigold seeds. There's all the pumpkin seeds. There should be a name for it. There is. It's called life. Oh, look, it's starting over. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. Hey, it's just like the beginning of the book. That's the life cycle. I wonder if this seed right here came from that marigold flower. I wonder if this pumpkin seed right here came from this pumpkin plant. Maybe so. All right, that was I'm a Seed. Next on our schedule, we're gonna do some journals and then fun day